Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Android Studio and loading the project you will edit. First, open res/value/colors. XML to view color resources, then open res/value/themes. XML to see where they are applied. This is the Y colors. XML centralizes values while themes. XML maps them to UI attributes. Once done, make a quick backup or commit so you can revert if needed. Now, prepare to add or modify color entries. This is the first actionable step to change your app's appearance. You now edit the color resources and connect them to the theme. In colors, XML add or change color name equals my accent #FF4081/color because hex values give precise control. Then, in themes, XML set item name equals color primary @color/my primary/item, and item name equals color on primary @color/my on primary/item, so the system uses your values. Make sure the theme inherits from theme. Material components to support modern attribute. You finish by rebuilding and checking the result. First, choose Build Clean Project, then Rebuild Project, because the build system must pick up resource changes. Next, run on an emulator or device to verify runtime behavior. Use the Layout Editor preview and the App Theme selector to view variations quickly. If colors don't appear, make sure you changed values in the Active Resource folder, confirm theme inheritance, and clear caches. Invalidate caches /restart often resolve stale resource issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.